Hello all my dear students, welcome back to Prudence Coaching. As you know, in this particular channel, you will get ICSE, CVSE and WBBSE solutions of all subjects. As we have completed till sum number 6 in the previous video, today we will be starting with sum number 7. So let's read the question first. Radha is drawing a dot rangoli. So Radha is a girl. She is drawing a dot rangoli. A beautiful patterns of line joining dots with the chalk powder as in the figure. So as you can see in this picture, she is drawing like this. So she has 8 dots in a row. Do you know what is the meaning of row? Row means this kind of horizontal lines. These are the rows and these are the columns. Okay. So here she is drawing 8 dots in a single row. How many dots will her rangoli have for r rows? So if the number of rows is r, you need to find out the total number of dots in all these particular rows. How many dots are there if there are 8 rows? So first you are asked to find out total number of dots if there is r number of rows. Then you are asked when there are 8 rows. If there are 10 rows, again you need to find out if there are 10 rows, then how many dots will be there. So let's start with the video. So according to the question, in a single row there are 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many dots are there? 8. So if the number of row is 2, then in this particular row also there will be 8 dots. So 8 plus 8, 16 dots. Or you can do like this. 8 in a single row. How many dots are there in a single row? That is 8 into the number of row. This is 1, this is 2. So 2 rows are there. So 8 into 2, you will get 16. That means we are multiplying the number of dots in a single row into the number of rows. Again, if we have 3 rows like this, so here also you will get 8 dots. So total you will get 8 plus 8 plus 8, that is 24. Or you can calculate it like this, that is 8 dots in a single row into number of rows, that is 3. So 8 into 3, 24. So this is the method as we have learned in the previous video as well. So here as it is said that the number of dots here is 8 in a single row and the number of rows is given to be r. Okay, a variable r is given. Total number of rows is not given in constant value, it is a variable. So how you will find? So here number of row is r. According to the question, in each row 8 dots are there. So 8 dots into number of row, that is r. So 8r is the total number of dots in case the number of row is r. Now if the number of rows is 8, then in each row we have 8 dots. Into how many rows do we have? That is 8 according to the question. So 64 will be total number of dots. Again it is said 10 rows. So 8 dots in a single row into 10. So you will get 80 dots total in case the number of rows is 10. So now let us write the final answer. The number of dots in each row equals to 8 dots, and in the first question it is given that the number of rows is r. So number of rows equals to r, therefore the number of dots will be 8r. And next, as the number of rows is given to be 8 instead of r, in that case we will write when there are 8 rows, then the number of dots will be 8, that is in each row 8 dots are present into number of rows, that is 8. So 8 into 8, 64 dots total. Now if the number of rows is 10 according to the question, when there are 10 rows, then number of dots equals to 8, that is in a single row we have 8 dots into the number of rows, that is 10. So 80 dots. I think this particular sum is clear to you, my dear students. If you find the content of this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. As you can see, this is your homework which we will be discussing in the next class. And my dear students, if you want to get videos related to any subject, any topic, you must visit our channel. There you will find the playlist and all the videos will be arranged according to your need, and the link of which will be given in the description box as well. Bye bye students, see you in the next class.